If you're looking to tighten and contour your beauty regime, there's an exciting new skin treatment that uses radio frequency to do just that to your face and neck area.
Here to tell us more is facial plastic surgeon and founder of Nuance Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery, Dr. Jeannie Kufkin. Good morning.
Good morning. Happy to be here.
Yes, it's wonderful to have you in. So surveys show an increased interest in minimally invasive aesthetic treatments right now. So are you seeing this really in your practice as well?
Yes, I am definitely seeing this in my practice. I also have a practice in Dubai, so I can tell you that the interest is worldwide. It's global. Everybody wants minimally invasive treatments now.
And one of the ways to do this is the quantum RF treatments.
Yes.
How do they work? How are they less invasive? And what's the methodology that's taken to using this device?
So this is done in the office under local anesthesia. So I use a little bit of numbing solution, inject it into the face, neck area, and make teeny tiny incisions under the earlobes, under the chin, and introduce a radio frequency wand into the skin to heat up the deeper neck tissues. That delivers the radio frequency energy, which in turn creates a wound healing response, stimulating collagen, creating tightening effect, melting the fat. So it's a wonderful treatment for those concerns.
Wow. Yeah, and we're seeing obviously everyone interested in this minimally invasive process, obviously with slower downtime and things of that nature, but what are the real advantages of quantum RF treatments and really for patients of different ages?
So this is a beautiful treatment. It can be used for younger patients, older patients. We all start to show neck laxity, skin laxity, jawline laxity as we're aging. Everybody wants to have this crisp, snatched jawline. People look in the mirror, they start to notice a double chin, a little bit of excess fat. So this is a great minimally invasive treatment to address these concerns. Older patients who are not candidates for a facelift, for a fully surgical solution, they can also get this treatment, as well as patients that have had a facelift and now want to maintain their results.
Yeah, you're talking about some older patients. I did hear you say younger patients as well. So for younger people out there who may be looking to, you know, because everyone has something about themselves they'd like to change. If younger patients have a double chin, is that something that they can come in and see with this as well?
Yes, this is an excellent treatment for the double chin. I've had a lot of success with it in Dubai using this technology, and I'm very happy to introduce this technology into my practice here in Las Vegas.
Perfect.
Yeah. You mentioned skin laxity. So how much improvement and really that facial contouring can patients expect to see, and how soon after the treatment will they see these results?
Great question. So this is not a replacement for a surgical facelift. This is a minimally invasive treatment. What makes it minimally invasive is that I'm using tiny incisions, but I'm going inside the tissues and warming up those tissues with radio frequency energy. So I've been seeing about 50% improvement. That's a reasonable expectation, all with minimum downtime, minimal risk, quick recovery.
Yeah. What about combining treatments with quantum RF? Are there any things you guys combine that works well with that?
I love combining the treatments, especially for double chin, because this treatment melts unwanted fat. So a lot of times I combine it with a liposuction to create better contouring and sculpting effect. The other treatment we can use is also Morpheus 8. I'm sure you've all heard of it. Radio frequency microneedling, Morpheus 8. We're using it on the surface of the skin for better texture and improvement in skin tightening as well.
Great. Yeah. What other services do you offer as well? I mean, right now, obviously, people are saying, I want to look and feel my best. And, you know, there's a real focus on just feeling great and looking great as well. What other services do you offer?
Well, we're a fully comprehensive practice. We have 2 facial plastic surgeons. We have great medical estheticians, great injectors, so we can take you from A to Z in your rejuvenation process.
Well, great. Doctor, thank you so much for coming in today. Great
information. It's been a pleasure.
And if you want to try out quantum RF face and neck treatments yourself, head to nuancelasvegas.com or call that number right there on your screen.